Hi, welcome to part 2 of Explore Python. In this part, we are going to discuss about Python interpreter. First, let me tell you what is interpreter. Okay, we are writing our code in our language, but machine understand its language, and machine language is binary language by 0 and 1. So how our program is being executed by Python, our code, how Python is understanding what we are writing. Okay, so that's the job of interpreter. What interpreter do is converts our language to machine level language and then run it. Okay, Python interpreter have its power to compile and run the program simultaneously. You don't have to compile your program then run your program. Python interpreter is such a smart program that can compile and execute your program. Okay, when you start the interpreter, you will look the screen like this. Let me first open my interpreter. I'm going to search IDLE over here. Python have given a GUI interpreter for us to use. So I am going to open that IDLE, and this is the IDLE of Python. You can say that this is an interactive mode of programming. Okay, we'll discuss in next video, but this is the Python interpreter. What it does, it is just executing our code. Let me first write a code. I will simple write a print statement to print welcome. Okay, I have written a print statement, and when I will enter, then it will execute that line. Okay, so in this way we are interacting with the Python, and this is Python interpreter. It will reads our program and it will execute it. Okay, then Python have two modes of programming. One is interactive mode of programming, another is script mode of programming. Let me tell you interactive mode of programming. What is interactive mode of programming? Invoking the interpreter without passing a script file as a parameter. Let me again open my IDLE. Okay, this is my IDLE. Okay, so here what happened when I write the line, okay, I may have to write another line here. Okay, so what the interpreter is doing is, interpreter is directly executing the line after you hit enter. Okay, so this is interactive mode. I have given a command print welcome and interpreter executed. Let me give another command to interpreter. Let me give a command to 2 plus 5 equals, it shows the equals. Okay, so Python interpreter interacting with us. What we are giving him to count, he is counting that and giving back. He is not storing anything, and he is not, we are not using script files as well. Okay, let me do that for the better understanding. Script mode programming, we have to write the script file. So let me first create a new file. This is a script file. Okay, here we are going to write the code. Okay, after that we will pass this file to the IDLE, to the Python interpreter, and it is going to execute line by line. After finishing the execution, it will going to show us the output. Okay, let me write the same program, print welcome. Okay, another print line I will write print 2 plus 5. Okay, but look at this, it is not showing you the output. You are writing the code in script file, and the script file have not compiled. Okay, this is interactive mode. Okay, you can see my mouse, this is interactive mode. When I write any line and hit enter, it is executing it. It is not waiting for the next line, it is interacting with the interpreter. Okay, in script mode I have just written a script file. It is not been attached to the interpreter, it is not been passed to the interpreter. Okay, we'll do that now. First I have to save the file. I will save the file in any of my location with new program. Okay, fine. And the file extension should be .py. Do remember this, Python always save its file in .py file. Okay, save. I have saved the program. I will run the program now. Run module. And when I run the module, look at here what happened. The interpreter restarted the program, the script file. In the sense, the interpreter takes this script file to itself and execute each line. Okay, and so the output of every line. Clear? This is interactive mode. Here every line is interacting, means after writing a line it is executing. And this is script mode. We have to write a script file, then we have to run it. Through that, the interpreter is going to know where the file is and how to run it. Then it will run that, and after that it will show you the result. So these two modes are present in Python. One is script mode, another is interactive mode. Okay, the main demerit of interactive mode is, if we will close the tab, let me close the tab. If we will close the tab, then these codes are not going to present because these codes are not been saved. But after closing the tab, this script will save because we have saved the script. So the demerit of interactive mode is we can save a program. Okay, we can't save a program. But in script mode, we can save a program, then we'll pass it. This is the man. So you may ask, where we are going to use interactive mode? Okay, when we are testing small logics, when we are trying to do a small job, we want to ask Python something, we can use interactive mode. That okay, you can imagine this like a chatbot. You are talking to someone. Okay, this is interactive mode. And you are writing a letter, this is script mode. Simple as it is. Okay, thanks for watching. And we will, okay, let me check. Okay, I have finished. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to learn more. Thank you.